Welcome to Police Transparency. The footage presented on this channel has been redacted by the releasing law enforcement agency prior to release, and all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
Air 37, I got the pickup northbound 40th from Mara.
On December 27, 2024, Highway Patrol officers were patrolling International Boulevard near 42nd Avenue in Oakland, California, when their license plate reader-equipped patrol vehicle found an occupied stolen Chevrolet truck.
Eastbound Carrington from 40th.
Eastbound Carrington from 40th.
Northbound Rosedale.
No, eastbound Rosedale.
Right turn Santa Rita.
Air 37, right turn Santa Rita.
Coming up to High, northbound High. What was our want?
Air 37 coming up to northbound High. Air 37, the vehicle is 10851.
10-4, I'll advise OPD. Continuing northbound High from Walnut. Looks like Argus is up as well.
Northbound from High at Walnut. Argus is up as well.
Eastbound Fleming.
Air 37 eastbound of Fleming.
Boy, the 29 is clear. It's expired December 2nd, 2024 for 2007 Honda 4-door with multiple release of liabilities, most recent being out of...
Eastbound Fleming, now southbound Monticello.
Air 37 eastbound Fleming, now southbound Monticello.
I copy, thank you.
We're now westbound on Gordon from Monticello.
Air 37 westbound Gordon from Monticello.
Southbound Renwick.
Westbound on Renwick.
Coming up to Fairfax. Got a unit coming head on with them right there at Fairfax. Passing by. Westbound Fairfax.
Air 37 westbound Fairfax. Unit coming head on with the vehicle.
And OPD is notified and going to be setting up for a foot bail area. Southbound on High. Westbound Aqua Vista.
OPD will be setting up southbound High, westbound Aqua Vista.
Coming to a stop, Aqua Vista got a maybe HMA white jacket running westbound, now walking. Aqua Vista westbound from High.
HMA white jacket running westbound from High.
Yeah, coming up to 38th. No, he's making a turn towards a residence here. Let's go back. Kind of hiding back behind the buildings. Aqua Vista. Got officers right there to your right. We got a spot. Yep. Officers contacting 1. Hands up, appears compliant.
1037, turning towards residence. Aqua Vista, hiding behind the vehicle. Officers contacting 1.
Driver, walking back to officers.
Driver walking back towards officers.
And detaining 1.
Detaining 1. Retain out the vehicle, press 4.
Just confirm when there's 37 digits, 1 occupant, and we do have the driver.
Informative outstanding.
He didn't discard anything else, it's just the bag?
No, you got it.
Okay.
Just keep knowing you can express, I promise you. This is great. What am I being arrested for? We can't.
Okay. Going to last 4 minutes.
Second, okay?
Oh, so familiar. Where is that? It's super familiar. The door's locked. There's something stuck locked.
Ready to have some match. Start loading.
It was a match start loading.
Yeah, he said he's only one. Yeah, 37 Crystal. What's up?
He looks so familiar. I feel like I've seen him.
Yeah?
37 high.
Same tattoo. That guy, the way he talks too. He looks
Pilot
familiar.
201.
I don't know when.
Excuse me. 20116.
I don't know where I've seen him, but I definitely
2074. 98.
Yeah, I was trying to put this like Aqua whatever. It wasn't come up in my map.
falling
Yeah, we were like all the way like in that neighborhood over there.
yeah, we're good. Just one pocket. Hey, do you think you recognize that dude? You probably will.
He looks so familiar. No? Yeah, I know.
His name?
No, you probably will. If I was just saying.
Yeah.
Is he giving you his name or no?
We haven't checked it. We're going to go through this first.
10-4. Was he written in SMS?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just want to see what his name is, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure either I arrested him or he was a passenger or something. Nobody, those tattoos are very distinctual. And then I think he didn't have a license on him. He had a prison ID with him last time.
Negative for effect, negative for basically for the ignition, stimulates, breaks over from
You guys want to go to that? Yes, we do. Pretty close. A little high. Alright, suitor.
Miscellaneous hand tool. What's up? Miscellaneous hand tools, scattered papers, debris, trash, clothing articles. Yeah.
gave him the 180.
Cool. Thank you.
Negative. No match.
Air 37, negative. No match.
This one just hit southbound Hyatt.